Let's come to the next numerical. A system consists of three masses m1, m2 and m3 connected by the string over the pulley. The mass m1 hangs freely and m2 and m3 are on the rough horizontal table. The coefficient of friction is mu. Between them, the friction is mu, friction coefficient. The pulley is frictionless and of negligible mass. The downward oscillation. So this system is moving with a downward oscillation A. We have to tell that oscillation. So if this is moving with oscillation A, the whole system is moving with oscillation A. And we can assume these both blocks because the in this string the T is acting equal and opposite direction, which is the internal force. So we can consider them as a one body. It is given that the mass m1, m2 and m3 is equal to m. So all masses are equal. So this block would become the mass of 2m. Okay. Now let's draw the free body diagram for 2m. Free body diagram for this block of 2m. So 2mg must be acting downwards, and because it is the string is attached, this is string, there must be a tension, and the tension is string is same, so the tension would be same at this point and the other point. So the tension in the left direction and the frictional force in the right direction. Normal force is acting upward, okay, and the net oscillation is in this direction. So to write the equation for 2m block, I can write this equation like T minus Fr, which is the frictional force, is equal to 2m into A. So this is the equation where T minus Fr is your net force. F net is equal to the mass into oscillation. This is Newton's second law. So from this, T minus Fr is equal to 2ma. So this frictional force would be equal to coefficient of friction, kinetic friction here, mu into normal. So normal is equal to 2mg. Let's just substitute it in this. T minus mu 2mg is equal to 2ma. So the value of tension is equal to 2ma plus mu into g. Right? This is our equation 1. Now let's come to this another block, M1 block, and draw the free body diagram for M1 block. So it is mass is M, mg must be acting downward, tension is acting upward, and there is a net oscillation which is in downward direction, so it would be A oscillation. So to write the equation, it would be mg minus T is equal to mass into oscillation. Net force is equal to mass into oscillation. In this equation, let's substitute the value of T. So it would be mg minus 2m A plus g into mu is equal to ma. Mg minus 2ma minus 2m mu g is equal to ma. So this ma plus 2ma, and this would be mg 1 minus 2 mu is equal to m 3ma. M got cancelled, so the value of A is equal to G upon 3 1 minus 2 mu. C is the correct option. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then please like it and subscribe the channel. We will bring more problems along with the solution. So if you have any query, then you can WhatsApp me. If you want a private tuition from me, then you can scan this or send me an email on forcetra.physicss@gmail.com. See you in the next video.